Are trauma survivors more likely to be re-victimized?
If you're the person who has had all three abuses, incest, battering as a child or as an adult, and then rape, what do I think about that? First, I think it's true. And I think it's important that you know that there are people who understand, yes, this happens, and you can speak to them, and they have the experience of knowing that it's true. They're not going to doubt you. Number one, yes, indeed, it occurred. Number two is it's not your fault. It's the perpetrator's fault. For some reason, victims have a sense of causing their own victimization, and they're embarrassed. Well, you shouldn't be, even though that often occurs. You didn't make this happen. As to why it happens, well, as I've explained on another webcast, I think a lot of it has to do with the early lessons on who to trust, how to trust, and how to bring effective people into your corner. I think that explains a lot about why. It's not that you have a particular look that attracts perpetrators, although there are some perpetrators who are con artists, and they prey on people who are vulnerable. And they may be more able to exploit somebody who's been wounded than someone who hasn't. And finally, what do we do about it? Well, therapists help train people in improving their self-esteem and understanding their valid instincts, in being afraid when they should be afraid and taking precautions, and in overcoming some of the disabling mental symptoms of anxiety and depression. But there also is a world out there, and Gift from Within is part of that world of people who can help one another. Peer support and learning how to improve your own confidence, and with that improves your chances for avoiding perpetrators and for surviving.